Hello, everybody. One second. All right, hello, everybody. And no diamonds. Oh well. Anyways, but this down. Okay, never mind. But down there, that's what I was talking about. The need more diamonds thing. It gets annoying. Anyways, welcome back. This is another. Anyways, sorry. This is another episode of Animal Jam. Don't exactly know what I was gonna do in this episode. Um. Um. Ooh. Ooh. That's a rare patched hat. Anyways, I don't really have anything to give out today. Like, I'm not gonna give out my rare old blanket. I mean, like, I got that during Jamala days, and why the heck is there a random ladybug here? Like, yeah, I know that's like the animal insect thing used for like the logo and stuff. That's logo animal, but seriously, that's confusing me. Um, I'm playing at 11:15 right now. Just sitting around. Oh yeah, you may be able to hear I'm listening to Nick Wants to Battle. I'm sorry. I swear I am. So yeah, I only have 15 minutes on here. Once I can actually do a live stream, I will do a live stream. Jambreaker. Would you like to see me play some awesome games? Actually, the Summer Carnival. Fine. But only because they have the rare cat ears. Not like I'm gonna take it from them. I just like people who have rare stuff. Okay, so I'm really good at this game. But I need to be really quiet to concentrate. You haven't noticed my high score is 71,000. Like, that's the highest score you can really get. Ah, dang it. Anyways, but yeah, I'm really good at that game. Okay, so this might be a continuation of the disabilities of members. Anyways, but it's most likely not. I just want to point this out. Okay, so you see all these small animals, small turtle plushie, small rabbit plushie, small octopus plushie? Well, only members can get the giant octopus, giant turtle, giant rabbit. What the? Wait. Turtle plushie, octopus plushie. What? Giant octopus, giant turtle, large rabbit. Okay. Pet spider plushie, pet monkey plushie, pet fox plushie, giant pet fox plushie, giant pet spider plushie, giant pet monkey plushie. Question, do they actually have those? I don't think so. Pet owl plushie, pet shark, shark plushie only. Then dolphin plushie, giant dolphin plushie, giant pet owl plushie, giant shark plushie. Those are the giant ones are only for members. Like, that's rude. Oh, and also, I love doing this. Bung, bung, bung. Sorry. I really have nothing to talk about. Like I said before, I'm gonna make more videos and most likely going to be different. Oh, actually, I forgot to mention in the last video that I'm going to be doing giveaways mainly on Tuesdays after Rare Mondays, and the reason why that is because some people don't actually get the rare items on Rare Item Mondays, and depending on the amount of coins each rare item costs, and if they're a member or not, I will buy a certain amount depending on depending on the cost of them. Some of them are around $100, so yeah, like the last rare item, like I did get it, but I switched on to my secondary account. Well, my Flying Master 21 account. And actually, I'm gonna show you it. Yes, welcome to this. So yeah, my secondary account is called Lion Master 21. And yeah. Alright, daily spin on this one too. Surf. That is rude. I'm just saying that's rude. Okay, so on this one, I'm a tiger. And I have 2 sets of the rare cat ears, a set of the rare Jamalati winter jacket, and a rare cowboy boots. Fine. I hate doing that. Then a rare eagle hat and a rare snowboarding helmet, which I swear is another rare item Monday, and I think I got that through a trade. And then I have this rare Jamalati fancy top hat, and that's really all the rares I have on this account. I might trade them over to my other account, so that way I can use these out. You know what? I'm gonna put 1 rare cat ear, because I only have 1 of them. Well, I only have 2 of them, and I want to keep 1 of them. And I'm going to have that on my for my giveaway. So all you had to do is put your animal jam name, put your username, and write who is your favorite song artist. It can range from only YouTubers to like well-known artists. Doesn't matter. Yeah. So yeah, doesn't matter whether it's from just YouTubers like Nate Wants to Battle, or to well-known artists like Beyonce or Adele or anything like that. So, anyways, so if anyone wants the rare cat ears, I will give them to you, only if you comment your username and your favorite song artist, ranging from YouTubers to well-known people. And actually, I'm going to search this. No, that one. Or should it be like that and that? No, that and that. And then there. That works. Anyways, just change my little outfit. But you see, look at me, rooster. And then look at all my member animals. Oh, a puppy, a cat, anglerfish, snake, duck, and blue lion. Or wolf lion. Obviously blue lion, because you know it's a blue lion. So exactly what I did. Okay, so this is Flying Mark. He was born adopted February 17th, 2017. He's aloof. His favorite toy is marbles, and his favorite food is stew. Interesting. This is fire scales. I don't know why, but I like having my hamsters with names with fire. Because my next one is called Firefox, I think. Anyways, this one was adopted before the certificate of adoption was created. And it's all mature, surprisingly. Favorite toy is a patch of dandelions, and his favorite food is cheese cubes. And sure, I'll take anything for a horrible trade. I will take anything to get rid of anything that's horrible. Anyways, and Firefox. She was born Thursday, December 22nd, 2016. She's honest. Favorite toy, same as fire scales, I think. Vegetarian lions, and favorite food, spinach salads. These are both boys, so she was born sometime. Can't really tell if this is a boy or not, but I'm not. What? I want this one. Okay, yeesh. There. Fine, I'll keep Firefox right now. Anyways, hopefully you guys like this video. This was just an introduction to the giveaways, and I'll see you later.